Hello everyone, before let me introduce myself. My name is Enjelika with NPM 2341205 from Accounting Class 23A. In this video, I will discuss material about economic analysis. Okay, let's get straight to the presentation. Okay, the first understanding economic analysis is investment. Economic analysis is context of portfolio theory and investment analysis is the process of evaluation overall economic condition to assess their impact of financial market and investment instruments. This analysis focus on macro and micro factors that can influence investment returns and risks. According to both Ken and Marcus, macroeconomic conditions such as economic growth, inflation, and interest rates have a direct impact on financial asset price and investor return expectation. Explain the economic analysis, the initial stage in fundamental analysis, which aims to assess investment feasibility before conducting industry and company analysis. Therefore, economic analysis serves as an important basic of making rational and measured investment decisions. Next, the main component of economic analysis. The main component of economic analysis includes macroeconomic analysis, industry analysis, and macroeconomic analysis. Macroeconomic analysis includes observing aggregate economic variables such as gross domestic product, inflation, interest rates, exchange rates, and unemployment rates. These variables reflect general economic conditions, unemployment rates, and significantly industrial capital market performance, capital economic growth generally differs, increase corporate profit, and has a profit impact on stock price, while inflation and rising interest rates can depress investment value. Furthermore, industry analysis is conducted to assess the prospect of specific business sector under current economic conditions, such as sector has different sensitivity to economic change. Macroeconomic analysis, on the other hand, focus more on company and customer behavior, including cost structure, levels of competition, and product effectively, which ultimately impact a company's financial performance. Next, objective and benefit of economic analysis. The primary objective of economic analysis is to help in person understanding the director of economy, performance, and their implication for the capital market. By understanding economic cycle in the start and determine investment strategies after to phase of expansions or recessions. State the economic analysis plays a role is estimating stylistic risks that cannot be eliminated through diversification. Furthermore, this analysis helps investors determine optimal asset allocation, whether instinct is stock, bonds, or the other instrument is more appropriate. Also, evaluates that understanding economic condition will improve portfolio manager ability to manage risks and maximum returns in accordance with investment objective. Next, the relationship between economic analysis and portfolio theory. In portfolio theory, economic analysis has a crucial role because economic variable influences expected results and investment risks. Change in interest rates, for example, will affect the risk-free rates of return used in asset pricing models such as the capital asset pricing model. When interest rates raise the future value of future cash flow, this reduces leading stock price to decline. Conversely, strong economic growth and increased expansion stock returns. Therefore, economic analysis helps investors determine the optional asset mix according to market conditions, creating an effective portfolio in accordance with the diversification principles described in modern portfolio theory. Next, economic analysis tools and techniques. In practice, economic analysis is continuous produce to tools and approaches. One commonly used method in historical data trend analysis to identify difference in the movement of economic variable over time. In addition, efforts also utilize leading, concrete, and lagging economic indications to profit directly to economy. Leading indicators such in the interest rates of customer confidence leads can profit early six about future economic condition. Additionally, economic metric approaches such as regional analysis are often used to examine the relationship between economic variable and stock return. The yield curve is also an important tool in predicting the likelihood and economic recession or expansion. Okay, the conclusion based on the effort described it can be concluded that economic analysis is a fundamental step in portfolio theory and investment analysis. This analysis helps investors understanding the macro and macroeconomic conditions that influence capital market performance. By considering variables such as economic growth, inflation, interest rates, and industry conditions, investors can be accurately estimate risks and expected returns. Furthermore, economic analysis plays a role in determining optimal asset allocating strategy in the language economic cycle. Therefore, a comprehensive understanding of economic analysis will improve the quality of investment decision making and help create an effective portfolio that's aligned with investor financial goals. Okay, that's all for my presentation. Thank you and see you in the next video.